Over 200 production lines totaling 400,000 tons have reached 60 countries around the world. This is the achievement of Dassilos, over 25 years of dedication and creativity. Since its establishment in 1999, Dassilos has continued to excel with its extensive experience and unwavering commitment to quality. We are shaping the future through galvanized steel grain silos, transport systems, and all related equipment made to the highest standards. We believe in continuous development and comprehensive quality, always striving to provide storage solutions for all types of grains at the highest standards and for the longest storage periods according to advanced global standards. We specialize in the production of grain storage silos, feed production lines, corn dryers, and seed cleaning and purification machines. With the facility spanning 30,000 square meters and a specialized team of 65 employees, we continue to innovate to meet your needs. We take pride in our partnerships with leading global factories to supply raw materials of European origin. Dassilos, the quality you trust and the innovation that inspires you.